Hey friends, here we are at Aldi once again for our weekly grocery haul and meal plan inspiration. This week I do have to get like a lot of staples, and I'm also getting a few other types of ingredients to make like low carb recipes and stuff. So I have like a healthy meal plan video that I'm planning for you guys that'll be coming in a couple weeks. But so if you guys are ready, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out the shop with me, which I will link in the description below, and let's go shopping. All right, y'all, here we are. We are back from Aldi and Wegmans. Here is our haul. There's only a couple things like over there in the corner from Wegmans. So you know what? Today, let's just start with stuff we got from Wegmans because it's only a few things. One thing in the produce here, I got this parsley. This came from Wegmans just because Aldi doesn't sell fresh parsley. I wish they did. And then over here, we got some chicken, the chicken thighs. This one here actually came from Aldi because they didn't have like any boneless chicken and I wasn't about to pay double the price for boneless chicken thighs. When these are like 99 cents, I'm sorry, they'd be like, oh no, these are $1.19, but the boneless ones were like $3.99 or something ridiculous. So when I got to Wegmans, I checked out their chicken and they actually had some chicken breasts. It was the same price as it would have been at Aldi for $1.99. So I went ahead and I grabbed about 5 pounds of that, as well as this chicken thigh from Aldi. The other thing I got from Wegmans, a non-food item. If you have animals, you know the struggle. I grabbed one of these lint rollers here. Hopefully it won't do me dirty. Sometimes I have really bad luck with them. Like they just don't, you know what I mean? Like they stick wrong and they unravel and they're just bad news bears. Anyway. Another thing, I grabbed some here coconut flour. I'm going to be doing a few low carb recipes for you guys coming up soon, so stay tuned for those. But I had to grab some coconut flour because Aldi doesn't sell that either. Some of the soy milk. My Wegmans finally had this soy milk here for my son. I only grabbed one because I didn't really need it, but I never see it, so I had to make sure I grab it. And then I believe this was the last thing I got from Wegmans, was these magic pops. These were on sale and I saw them after I finished videotaping my shop with me. So they're not in it, but I grabbed one of these and they have a bunch of different flavors. This one is salted caramel. It was on sale. They were like $1.99 on sale. But if you don't know what they are, basically what they are is like a rice cake, more or less. That's what they taste like. And then they have like this little salted caramel drizzle on them. They're really good. They're a low calorie snack. 40 calories. There you go. 40 calories for one. They're big. You can put fruit on them or yogurt or peanut butter or whatever. But yeah, they're like rice cakes. They make an awesome snack. Okay, so moving on to Aldi then, and let's see what we got from Aldi. We'll go start over here in the produce like we normally do. So I grabbed some strawberries. They had strawberries on sale. They looked really good to me, so I decided to grab one of these. I also grabbed cauliflower here. I'm going to be making cauliflower mash, so that's what that is. I have some of these green onions. These are going to be used in a lot of different dishes. I love using them. I also have here a head of cabbage. I'm going to be, stewing up some cabbage, and I will show you over there. But St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so corned beef and cabbage. I'm Irish. So I like to cook that up on St. Patrick's Day. Also grabbed here some baby bella mushrooms. I love baby bella mushrooms, using them in stir fries and things like that. I do all the time. And we have a million bananas. I don't want to pick it up to show you exactly how many are underneath, because if I do that, they're probably all going to fall on my dog. And I don't think he'll be happy. Okay, so here from Aldi, they had these in their Aldi Find section. They're Christmas candles. They are going on sale, or like they're clearancing them out. They're trying to get rid of them really hard. They're down to just over $1 now. This one is mistletoe and fir. Yeah, it smells really good. It's like you know, like it's kind of like a pine type scent, but it's a little bit lighter, a little bit fresher. What else do we have? We have back here, I grabbed some of these club crackers. We love those in our house. Those are a nice snack to keep around. Along with Aldi had the Snyder pretzel bites in their Aldi Find. They were mostly out of these already, but they still had a whole bunch of the honey mustard and onion ones, and they had like one buffalo left. So if you like the buffalo, make sure you guys get them before they're gone. I have here 2 of the 100% whole wheat bread. I like these because it's nice and soft for my son. They were low on their bread again this week, but fortunately they had these ones and they had quite a bit of those. All right, so moving down just a tad, I have like a whole bunch of cheese. Like I normally don't buy this much cheese, but I'm experimenting with recipes and things like that this week for you guys. So we have cheddar. I have some mozzarella here. I'm going to shred this up for myself. Parmesan, oh my gosh. We had some Parmesan cheese like we do just about every week, and American cheese. I was looking for just like a brick of Gruyere. I could not find it for the life of me. They had a whole bunch of Gouda, but I could not find Gruyere. They were also, Aldi was also out of their blocks of Swiss. So the last thing I saw was this Swiss and Gruyere blend. So I'm going to give that a try for my purposes. Another cheese, we have cream cheese. Again, it's going to go along with like those low carb recipes. They had a whole bunch of creamers this week. It was nice to see, refreshing. So I grabbed the white chocolate creamer, as well as like I got the last honey mustard. I grabbed another mayonnaise as well, the olive oil mayonnaise, because they are hard to come by at my Aldi. And we have another peanut butter. We went through our peanut butter really quick this week, so I decided to grab another one of those. My son's been eating this Greek yogurt. He's really been loving it, and it's been really good teaching him how to use a spoon to feed himself. So I grabbed another one of these because we're almost out. As well as for my son, we have our handy dandy vegetable and fruit blend squeezes here. He loves those. And one more thing, well, a few more things for him. The mini alphabet cookies. We have no snacks left in the house, and I felt bad, so I grabbed these. These are nice. They're like vanilla flavored, and they're in the individual packs, which are awesome because then you don't have like the whole bag going stale. So waffles. Those are for breakfast. And nuggets. We grabbed 2 bags of the chicken nuggets this week because they've been out for the past couple weeks, and I am so nervous they're going to be out again, so I decided to grab 2 bags this time. I've been considering making my own homemade chicken nuggets or patties, cost reasons, but also just because it's been so hard to like find these lately, and it's driving me insane. The scarcity of chicken is baffling. A couple more things. So I have this here, heavy whipping cream. I will use that in a few recipes. And then I grabbed the vanilla almond milk, the unsweetened one. That's for me. I like that. I cannot remember for the life of me if I shared this. Sorry, guys. I got this from Wegmans as well. Aldi was out of a lot of their jams. So I went to Wegmans instead to see what they had. And they had these ones. My mom used to buy these ones a lot when I was growing up. And this one was definitely one of my favorites. And I think my son will really like it because he likes the apricot jelly. And passion fruit is like one of my favorite flavors. So I'm actually excited to have that again because I'm probably definitely going to be eating some of that. Moving on, almond flour to go along with our coconut flour. Those low carb recipes once again. I needed to restock on my cocoa powder. I haven't really been using it, but I finished it off like 2 weeks ago or so. And I hate to be caught with my pants down. You know what I mean? When I go to bake something and then I don't have it. So I grabbed another one of those. And we are down to like our last couple of things here, guys. I grabbed one of these, the Midnight Blend, the dark roast, one with the... Oh, it used to have a monkey on it. Where did the monkey go? I swear. Oh my gosh. Okay, my mind is blown right now. But the Midnight Blend. And then the Donut Store Blend. This one's for home. Yeah. Okay, and then the last thing that I got, which I'm really excited about, because once again, St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and we are going to make some corned beef brisket. I grabbed one of the smaller ones just because it's just, you know, me, my husband, and my son. I don't even know if my son will eat it, but we're going to try. Unfortunately, I grabbed one with so much fat on it. I didn't even look very hard, but yeah, they had these for a pretty good price at Aldi. Comparatively to the ones at Wegmans, you guys can see in the shop with me if you watch that. Oh, yeah, and we have actually 2 more things here that I skipped right over. I grabbed 4 cans of the Chunk Light Tuna in water. These are going to be for lunches this week because it's a little cheaper alternative than buying that deli meat. As well as I grabbed another one of these sea salt grinders because unfortunately, tragically, I broke the last one I had. It fell right out of the Lazy Susan and smashed. So we grabbed one of those. That is it, guys, for this week's grocery haul. If you need some meal plan inspiration, please stick around. I have it coming for you guys right now. And if not, go check out the shop with me. Alrighty, here we are with this week's weekly meal plan. So for breakfast, we have our usual, we got waffles, bananas. I bought some more of that honey vanilla Greek yogurt so I can do that with some fruit for my son. Lunches, keeping it pretty simple this week. I'm gonna make like tuna and cheese melts. We can also do peanut butter and jelly or chicken nuggets, and I will serve that to my son with a squeeze and crackers if he's still hungry. Then for dinners on Monday, I'm gonna be making like a creamy potato soup. So think like, you know, like a loaded baked potato soup, but I don't have bacon, so I won't be putting that in there, but same idea, just like a creamy potato soup because that's not going to use a lot of ingredients and I can kind of just use up what I have around my house. Tuesday, this is kind of like an up in the air. I think I'm going to have my husband just bring something home from work that day. There's no real special reason. I just, once in a while, like, you know, don't feel like cooking. And, you know, he found a new deli recently and they have really good, like, submarine sandwiches. So maybe we'll try that again. Wednesday is my shopping day. If you're unaware, oh my goodness, I just made a mark on it. Wednesday's my shopping day, so we'd like to do just easy meals that day. I keep making marks. So we're gonna do spaghetti and meatballs. Thursday, I never made the penne and curry last week, so I'm gonna be doing that again this week. It's gonna have like some chicken and vegetables, and that should be good. And Friday, I'm trying a new recipe. It's going to be like baked chicken thighs, and then I'm going to serve it with a creamy mushroom sauce. And I'm going to serve that up with some mashed cauliflower. Saturday, again, I'm going to be testing out a few more recipes, really Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm going to be doing a low-carb meatball sub, which is basically like you make the meatballs and you put them in these little like low-carb bread pockets. So we're going to try those, as well as some, what are they called? They're called like heavenly fries. I don't know. You can look them up on Pinterest, but I saw them recently and I figured I'd give them a try, like a low-carb French fry. I don't know. I'm going to try them out, and if I like them, I will definitely share the recipe with you guys. Then Sunday, I will be making a taco pie. Again, this is not something I've made yet either, so I'm definitely going to be trying these out. Some of these are going to be recipes I'm going to share with you guys in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But that is it for this week's weekly meal plan and grocery haul. Make sure you guys check out the shop with me. The link is in the description, and thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, I love you. Bye!